How to create an affiliate link from a systeme.io blog post. In this article, you will learn which pages the systeme.io affiliate program works on and how to add your affiliate link to the URL to earn 60% of lifetime commissions on systeme.io. You will need to be enrolled in systeme.io's affiliate program. Click here to register for free and receive the link to your affiliate dashboard. 1. How does it work? You receive a 60% commission on all sales of Aurelian Amaker's training courses or systeme.io subscriptions, sales of individual training courses or subscriptions such as Business Pass or Coaching Pass. The affiliation proposed by systeme.io works on all the forms and with all the pages created with systeme.io, blog articles, capture page, sales page, payment page, etc. To learn more about how the systeme.io affiliate program works, click here. Point 2. How to add your affiliate link to the URL. You simply have to add SA equals your affiliated at the end of the URL, replacing your affiliated with your own affiliate ID. Example, let's say your affiliate ID is SA00041537157D4669586395A6395D4E031D503BEA587. Suppose the blog post link is https://systeme.io/blog/category/online-tools. Your affiliate link to promote a page of this blog post is therefore https://systeme.io/blog/category/online-tools ? SA equals /SA00041537157DBE466C95A6395A63995A63995A63995A603BEA587. To find your affiliate ID, as well as your various affiliate links, go to Dashboard, then Affiliate Dashboard. Number 1 in the image, your affiliate code can be found at the top of the page. Number 2 in the image,